Hey, hi. So basically, your purpose system is ready. Okay. So to see in this video, I'll be telling you how to run the project and the project demonstration. And first of all, you have to do the Python setup, which I will be sending you. Okay. And after that, I'll be giving you one zip file, code zip file. So first you have to unzip the file, and then you will get this folder. Okay, satellite cloud removal, and then you have to go inside the folder. And after going inside, so you have to right click on the folder, and there you will be get open in cmd option. Okay, so this is the one of the option. Second one is you can click here, and you can type cmd, and you can hit enter. Okay, once you do this, it will open the terminal into the particular location. Okay, I suggest go with this method, like to click to this icon and then type cmd and hit enter. Okay, like that. Okay, and here you have to type one command, which is python application.py. Okay, so we have built a web application, web interface for the demo purpose. It was not there in our purpose system, it was a kind of a bonus thing which I have added so that you can demonstrate it properly. So then after running this command, if everything get proper, then it will give you the url at the end. Okay, so you have to copy this, you have to just go to the any web browser. Okay, you have to go to any web browser, and you have to type the url. Okay, so let me open in private tab. So you have to type the url and you have to hit enter. Okay, after hitting enter, you will get the home page. Okay, so this is the basic home page which I have added, and there is a login page and sign up page is also there, so you can create account and do the login. As of now, I'll be logging with my already existing account, and after logging, then it will ask you to upload the satellite image. The spelling is incorrect, but I'll make it correct. Okay, so here what you have to do, here you have to choose the input image. Okay, whatever you input images you want to predict now, so you have to pass the image here. Okay, so as of now, let me go to the project folder and choose any images from database dataset, the dataset which we have used for training. So let me go to dataset. Right, there are two datasets are there, so cloudy images. So let me choose any cloud image. So this is more cloud image, right? So then you have to make it submit. Okay. So after submitting, then it will load the model and make the prediction. So as of now, it is under processing. So this process will take time because we are processing satellite image, right? And we are using GAN network, which is very it required very heavy computational power. So it depend upon your laptop speed. Okay. So and here we are making prediction with two models. Basically, we have used two different data set, and we have trained two different algorithms. So this will make two. It will generate two different output with two different models. The algorithm is same, but it will. There are two models: data set one, data set two. So it will make the prediction on both the models, and it will give you output. Okay. So then you can, like you can see which result is more good and accurate. Okay, so as of now it is getting more time. Let me hit enter. Okay, for the first time when you run the project first time, it will take the time because it downloads some libraries dependencies from internet, and it take time, so it is working. Okay, once you start the project and then you make the second type prediction, then it will quickly make the prediction. Okay, so image one, model one prediction has done. Okay, so now it is processing the image two, not image two, model two. Okay, so while the it making the prediction, I'll tell you about the uh, algorithm. Okay, so
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.